eggs, cinnamon, sugar, butter, cottage cheese, sour cream. It's skinny. We're using fettuccine. We're making Kugel. That's right. Crack 3 eggs. Whisk them well. Add your sugar, your sour cream, your cottage cheese. 1/4 cup sour cream, 1/3 of a cup of cottage cheese, about 2 tablespoons of sugar, good few pinches of cinnamon. Add your noodles and 2 tablespoons of melted butter. Whisk it all up. This is how easy it is. Pour it in a sprayed pan. Throw it in the oven. Oh yeah, I tapped a little more cinnamon. I like cinnamon. That's it. Put it in the oven. 375. Bake it till it's golden brown, just like that. You guys, this is so easy. It is one for the books. It is low carb. I could eat that whole pan. This is one bag. It's skinny, so if you want to make a bigger one, double the recipe. I mean, it's like dessert heaven. Kugel on a plate. Gotta try it.